Hi, my name is Emma Opperman. I'm a graphic and web designer here at Paragon Marketing Group. I want to talk to you about why you should hire a professional graphic designer. Would you try pulling a tooth yourself, or would you go see a dentist? What about if your dog was sick? Treat him at home or go to the vet? The same thing goes for graphic design. Go to the professional. There are 4 main reasons why you should hire a professional to do your graphic design work, rather than do it yourself. The first reason is tools. As designers, we've had practice coming up with unique, creative ideas to assist businesses. When working with a marketing company, you have access to a team of professionals ready to come up with a fresh new idea. At Paragon, we have weekly strategy sessions to keep new ideas rolling. Also, we as designers not only have the right tools and software to handle many types of design, but we also have the training on which programs to use for certain types of design. We have connections with printing companies who we can refer you to, and we will make sure your file is print ready. Having the right tools and practice with different types of designs, from business cards to logos to flyers, makes us time effective. On that note, the second reason to use a professional designer is time. You, as a business owner, are a very busy person focusing on running your business from day to day. Do you really have time to find the software to use, come up with a new idea, and produce the design? On top of that, you need to find a printer and make sure they accept the type of file you just produced. While you're busy with your busy schedule, by the time you finish the design, a designer probably could have had it done weeks ago, or maybe even months. You need to focus on running your business and allow a designer to do what they do best: produce marketing materials that will enhance your business. Hiring a professional designer can save you time and money. That's why the third reason to consider a professional is money. A common misconception is that hiring a graphic designer is unaffordable. In most cases, that's not true. At Paragon, we work with many small businesses and their marketing budget. It is also important that you don't waste your money on a design that doesn't attract your audience or doesn't properly represent your business. Your money could be better spent with a designer who will produce just that, a design that shows who you are and can create business leads. The last reason is reputation. The designs your company uses is a representation of your company. A poor design can give your customer the idea that you are untrustworthy. You may be losing customers without even knowing it. Designers can help form your brand, make sure it's professional, consistent, and accurately represents who you are and what you are about. It is believed that there is a direct correlation between good design and good business. Now that you understand some of the reasons to hire a professional graphic designer instead of doing it yourself, give it a try. From logos and branding materials to presentations and mailers, find a designer that can work best with your business and your budget. You focus on running your business and let graphic designers focus on making your marketing materials. Thank you for watching the video, and please like or comment below, and we will be happy to answer any questions you may have.